विचार हमेशा मेरे मन में दस्तक देते हैं, एहसास दिलाते हैं कि मैं हूँ। मुझे भी यही लगता है कि मैं हूँ। सन्नाटे ने मुझसे पूछा, मैं कौन हूँ? बेटी, बहन, प्रिया, बहुरानी, माँ, क्या? बहुत सी ध्वनियाँ मुझसे रिश्ते जोड़ बैठी। मैं सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रही हूँ, उम्र ही नहीं, जीवन के कुछ टुकड़े जो कोरे नहीं हैं। कुछ लिखा है मैंने, उन पर कुछ लिखा है मैंने, उन्हें पीछे छोड़ रही हूँ, उन्हें पीछे छोड़ रही हूँ। To do a duty is one's commitment to the family, but that's not life. I wanted to live a life, and that life I somehow found in my creativity. And my writing was something which I could do sitting in the house. I grew up in Aligarh, and I studied in Aligarh University. That time it was very culturally oriented, and especially my father was very fond of arranging mushairas and kavi sammelans and poetry sessions. I heard great poets when I was a child. So there was time to interact with them also. So they inspired me, and I always thought I'll become a writer. जब तक जीवन है, दीपक में बाती है, आशा की एक भी लौ टिमटिमाती है। परछाइयों से बचाकर मेरी आत्मा सच को जलाती है। जीवन से एक संवाद उगता है, नहीं तुम मुझे शुभ रात्रि मत कहो। हाँ, हो सके तो जीवन की समूचे भाव में साथ साथ बहो।
In the initial stages of a marriage, I didn't know that she'll be a writer, frankly, and she also was not sure whether she will take up to writing, because she was, and we both were too busy in bringing up the children. One day was looking into her old college records, and there she came across some old poems that she had written in college, and she showed to me, look, here's a set of poems I've been writing, and this is the one which got printed in my college magazine. So I said, then why don't you continue with this? Then she said, okay, let me try. And that's how she took up to writing once again.
My husband used to see me early morning getting up and sitting on the table and writing. It was a joint family and there was no separate room. So I used to sit on the floor, put a pulle in front of me and then write. So he said, what are you doing? So I said, I'm writing a novel. He said, what will you do with the novel? I said, I have it published. So it was published then. And then there is no looking back.
It's a passion in her, and she gets sense of satisfaction, and she doesn't disturb our family life at all. She balances it beautifully and fulfills her social commitments, her business commitments, her professional commitments. And writes early morning when everybody is sleeping. I am proud of her.
Somehow in India our social system is such that women are suppressed. I feel that women should prove themselves. I write mainly about the suffering of women, the loneliness of the women, and how they emerge, how they are brave, how they prove themselves. Many people thought in the beginning that somebody else is doing ghostwriting for me. But then there were so many books that they had to believe it, and they were in the same style, because my style will remain my style. In Hindi there is a word swanthe sukha hai, अपने सुख के लिए लिखना. तो मैं अपने सुख के लिए लिखती हूँ, because मेरी जो अंदर इच्छाएं हैं वो मुझे प्रेरित करती हैं कि मैं अपने कलम को छोड़ूं नहीं, लिखती जाऊं और मैं लिखती रहती हूँ. It was a very sensitive moment of my life when I saw my characters walking up. I dreamt of them. I almost created them. And when they walked in front of me, I had goose pimples all over my body. I had tears in my eyes.
इसे होई माता कहते हैं और इसमें घर की बेटी का नाम नहीं लिखा जाता।
वो क्यों?
अब हमारे यहाँ की ट्रेडिशन में लड़कियों का स्थान ही क्या है जो नाम हम लिखा जाए।
I found Panchvati to be a bold work of writing. There's so much depth in it, and there's such deeper understanding that she brings to that subject. It was really amazing to find a screenplay done by Kusum ji.
जब प्यार के प्यारे आज टिकते आखिर कर्तव्य के किनारे जीवन के सागर में।
The freshness about the subject at that time was that when this woman leaves,
मैं घर नहीं जाना चाहती।
she says that I do not want to leave one man and latch on to the next one. She was not like in other films of those times. She was not clamoring for her identity. She knew who she was. She was quietly strong.
मैं वापस नहीं जाऊंगी।
It remains one of my favorite roles that I have played till date.
ये क्या बचपना लगा रखा है साध्वी?
She's a very sincere writer. She's not like smart writing, but she's writing from the heart always, and that's a quality I like about her writing. She's somebody I like to say is a dear friend.
Kusum Mansal, my friend. When I first met her, she reminded me of a rosebud yet to bloom, and that's what happened when we bonded over the years. All it needed was a little caring, a little bit of push, an absolute belief in her talent which I had. This resulted in Panchvati. Now the bud had become a full-blown rose, my friend Kusum Mansal.
You know, I was very surprised when I was on the sets of Mom's book of Ek Aur Panchvati and Vasudha was directing it. And I suddenly realized that my mom really has talent because, you know, from her short stories and novel, it's being depicted into Bollywood cinema. And, you know, I was really amazed that, you know, it's a woman can really be different and actually write so boldly. For a woman, you have to play multiple roles. As a mother, as a wife, as a grandmom, and believe me, she really does it very well. Frankly, me and my sister really admire her for that. And you know, I really admired her for her determination because there was nobody as such pushing her or telling her you must do this.
Each person has his own journey, and Kusumji had her own journey. But her journey becomes very meaningful when the whole ambience is electrifying and when people are also sensitive and responsive to things that are happening in the country. And Aligarh to that extent was a very, very interesting atmosphere because it was just after the partition, it was just after the independence, and people in Aligarh were awakening with a new concern about the country is going to go and what will be their role in the country and the making of this nation. That created a lot of writers and poets, and I think it will be a matter of pride to put Kusumji also in that lot.
Mom's greatest strength and quality is her strong-willed mind. She's had a very emotional and a scarred childhood, a lonely life with losing her mother at a very young age, which I think somewhere deep inside has affected her. And I feel that strongly shows through her writing because her characters in her books are very, very sensitive. You can feel her sensitivity and her emotions, which are very profound through her books. And I think what she writes is from her soul.
Her sincerity, her integrity as a writer, and her perception are three of the many, many good qualities in her that have taken her all this way and that promise to make her even a better writer.
I think my mother's writings, there's a lot of sensitivity in her writings, and I see a lot of her reflection in her writings. I used to tell her that, you know, I find her books very depressing, and then she would say, no, but this is reality, and this is the reality that most of us don't see.
She becomes like a child when it comes to writing, poetry and creative. Writing was her passion. It was not a hobby, or she took her writing very, very seriously.
जो उनके लेखन में एक विशेषता लगती है वो ये कि बहुत शोध परक लिखती हैं वो, यानी अगर वो किसी विषय को चुनती हैं अपने उपन्यास के लिए तो उस पर फिर बहुत रिसर्च करती हैं, और वो शोध जब तक उनको आत्मसंतुष्टि का भाव नहीं देता तब तक वो कलम नहीं पकड़ती। बहुत स्नेह के साथ अपनी शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ कि उनकी रचना यात्रा इसी तरह और आगे बढ़ती रहे, और हम लोग हमेशा इस इंतज़ार में रहते हैं कि शायद कुछ और कुसुम जी के द्वारा लिखा जाए।
She became a writer when it was socially unacceptable for women to do any kind of work. They were expected to be housewives and look after the home. So within those limitations, she chose this profession and she's progressed as a writer. She's done a lot of diverse work.
उनका संपूर्ण लेखन जो है वो लेखन एक नए प्रकार के आयाम उद्घाटित करता है, और उसका परिणाम ये होता है कि हिंदी पाठक वर्ग की चेतना कहीं अधिक समृद्ध होती है।
She herself is a firm believer of women empowerment, that how they should move forward and they should take a step ahead, and how they should be educated, because she herself after her college wanted to study further, but her father didn't let her. She is the one who's actually really instigated all of us to take our education very seriously.
She believes in building relationships and keeping relationships with anybody and everybody, and there is no one who will speak anything but good about her.
Mother has always written from her heart. A lot of her writings are about her own experiences, feelings. She's always, had these unique qualities, and of course they have imbibed in the whole family in some way or the other. And I'm proud to have a mother like her.
She's got quite a body of work behind her, and I think the way she is, she's a very sensitive person. I think she has so much more to write about, and we look forward to a lot more work.
चुप्पी की भी अपनी एक भाषा है, चुप्पी की भी अपनी एक आवाज़ है, सन्नाटे की भी एक संगीत है। वर्तमान में निशब्द बहता आलोक, जिसको चाहकर भी न बारिश न धूप छूती है, कोई नहीं छूता उसे, चुप्पी की उस आवाज़ को जो हवाओं में बहती है।